design what I see to from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of single pin picking a Lince 50mm padlock made in Spain. Sent to me by Tallan, my good friend Carlos over there in Spain, so thank you, my friend. I'm going to be using a Peterson gem. It's a bit worn down, and sort of flexi wrench from a Gosso set, firm favourite. It's not very flexy, but it's fantastic. So we get on. I'll show you the bitting on the keys afterwards because it's still attached. Start back to front. Tension on. Not sure if it's sort of bad tolerances or spools in it. It just sort of drop over into little falsets. Just got it then. Tension wrench slipped a little bit. Do apologise. So that's a 50mm Lince padlock single pin picked. That's the bitting on the key. So if you are newbies to Locksport, guys, why not come visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.